Pilatus Pc12 coming to land at Cambridge Airport. It's just past the M11 at the moment. Still probably 4,000 or 5,000 feet up. That's passing over the airport soon, so it'll probably turn around, well, come and land at the Newmarket Road end. I'll just show you on Flight Radar 24 what that was in a sec. Yeah, there you go. He's just about to pass over the airport now. That's where he is. That's what I've just filmed. It's come from Cardiff. Speed of 259 miles an hour. Okay, let's just have a quick look. I did see the contrail of this other plane in the distance, but I didn't bother to film that because I was filming the Pilatus. Brussels Airlines has just passed to the west of Cambridge. On its way to Edinburgh. Let's have a quick look, see if there's anything else worth looking at. That is that. I did a day's plane spotting at London Stansted Airport yesterday, so check out my YouTube account for loads of new videos of all kinds of planes, but especially I've got 2 747s yesterday and lots of other good things to see, so check those out. Let's just see what this is. This is Cargo Lux coming from Prestwick going to Luxembourg. I'm not going to see that, that's too far south. But anyway, I filmed a Cargo Lux plane yesterday in an amazing livery, a very rare livery. Looks like someone's painted, well, children have painted the side of it. It's pretty cool actually. So check out my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.